Hello students, today let us see the IUPAC nomenclature of ethers and amines. In my previous lecture I have given the naming of esters. Now let us see the ethers. What are ethers? Ethers are alkoxy derivatives of alkanes. Ethers have the general formula ROR. So, this is an alkane in which the alkoxy group is substituted. So, alkoxy derivatives of alkanes are known as ethers with general formula ROR. How to name these ethers? Ethers may be symmetrical or non-symmetrical, symmetric or asymmetric. Let us take symmetric ether. This is the simplest ether, methyl group, and in between these two methyl groups oxygen is present. Methyl, methyl ether, dimethyl ether is the common name of this structure, but that is not the IUPAC name. In IUPAC system, we have to name this compound as alkoxyalkane. So, it is methoxymethane. It is a derivative of methane. Methoxy group is substituted in the place of one hydrogen in methane. So, it is methoxymethane. 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 This is the name of this compound. Coming to the second example, here it is ethyl group and ethyl group. In between these two ethyl groups oxygen is present. Diethyl ether, ethyl, ethyl, ether, diethyl ether, that is the common name of this one. And ethoxy group is substituted in the place of one hydrogen in ethane. So, it is ethoxyethane. Ethoxyethane. It is also a symmetrical ether. A symmetrical ether is the one in which on either side of the oxygen same number of carbon atoms are present. Same alkyl groups are present on either side of the oxygen atom, that is known as a symmetrical ether. This structure can have one more isomer, that is the metamer. This is the metamer of ethoxyethane. You see here on the either side of oxygen methyl group and propyl group is substituted. The naming of this kind of unsymmetrical ethers is an interesting one. Now, which alkyl group is taken as the parent chain? Always the bigger alkyl group is taken as the parent chain and smaller alkoxy group is taken as the substituent. So, methoxy group is taken as the substituent on the propane. So, it is methoxypropane. Methoxypropane. Right? Now, coming to the next example. In this example, we have ethyl and propyl group on either side of the oxygen, and on the adjacent carbon, on the carbon adjacent to the oxygen atom, there is one chlorine. So, it is, we have to think that on the propane, ethoxy group and chlorine are substituted. Ethoxy group and chlorine are substituted, and the substituted carbon gets number 1 position. It will be given number 1, 1, 2, 3. So, it is chloro, 1 chloro, 1 ethoxypropane. 1 chloro, 1 ethoxypropane. That is the name of this compound. Okay, students. Now let us see the nomenclature of amines. What are amines? Amines are the alkyl derivatives of ammonia. On the ammonia, there are hydrogens. NH3 is the formula of ammonia. If these three hydrogens are substituted by alkyl groups, then we get primary, secondary and tertiary amines depending on the number of alkyl groups. Okay students? Now, if one alkyl group is present on nitrogen, then that is known as a primary amine. If two alkyl groups are present, then it is known as a secondary amine. If three alkyl groups are present, it is a tertiary amine. How to name these amines? Primary amines, very simple. It is ethyl amine. Ethyl group is present on the nitrogen, so it is ethanamine. It is ethanamine. But for naming the secondary and tertiary amines which have 2 and 3 alkyl groups, for this we have to select the biggest chain as the parent chain and the remaining part as the substituent. In this structure, on the nitrogen, one methyl group is substituted. So, it is N-methyl ethanamine. This is ethanamine. It is one of the hydrogen is substituted by methyl group. So, it is N-methyl ethanamine. This is N-methyl ethanamine. And in the third structure, two alkyl groups are substituted on the ethanamine. This is the same structure, ethanamine, methyl group and propyl group. But now here we have to take the biggest chain as the parent chain. So, here these two are taken as the substituents. Methyl and ethyl groups are taken as the substituents on the nitrogen and propyl group is taken as the parent chain. It is a propanamine. Basically, it is a propanamine and N-methyl, N-ethyl. Methyl and ethyl groups are present on the nitrogen. So, it is N-methyl, N-ethyl propanamine. That is the name of this structure. This is how we have to name the primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Okay students?